Kiwigu T1. The Kiwigu T1 is a bold step toward the future of personal air travel, designed to give people a new way to move above the traffic. Developed by Xpeng, this flying car is a hybrid between a drone and a capsule, combining advanced electric power with modern design. Equipped with 6 powerful propeller wings and a fully electric powertrain, the T1 can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for crowded cities where roads are always packed. Its sleek structure is built to deliver freedom, comfort, and innovation all in one. Made for short-distance trips, the Kiwigu T1 can reach a top speed of about 45 miles per hour, cover nearly 30 kilometers, and stay in the air for around 30 minutes per flight. This makes it an excellent choice for short commutes or quick escapes from city congestion. Inside, the pilot is secured with an X-shaped safety belt while enjoying panoramic views through the front window, rear windshield, and open sides, making the ride as thrilling as it is practical. Klein Vision Flying Car. The Klein Vision Flying Car, also called the Air Car, is a groundbreaking invention that combines the freedom of flying with the convenience of driving. At first, it looks like a sporty car, but with a single press of a button, it quickly transforms into an aircraft. Its wings unfold and the tail extends in less than 3 minutes, making it ready to take off. This unique ability allows you to drive on regular roads and then switch to the skies whenever needed, turning long commutes into quick and exciting journeys. Powered by a petrol engine and built with lightweight aerodynamic materials, the air car delivers excellent performance both on land and in the air. On the road, it drives smoothly like a modern car, and in the air, it flies steadily like a small private plane. This makes it perfect for short trips, business travel, or simply avoiding heavy traffic by flying over it. The Klein Vision Air Car has already completed successful test flights, proving that flying cars are no longer a dream of the future, but a reality happening now. With its futuristic design and practical use, it represents a major step toward a new era of personal transportation. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is on a mission to make the dream of personal flying possible for everyone, even if you don't have a pilot's license. Their star creation is the Hexa, a lightweight, all-electric multi-rotor aircraft that looks futuristic and fun. With 18 rotors working together, the Hexa is designed to be stable, safe, and easy to control, giving anyone the chance to experience the thrill of vertical flight. It's not just about technology, it's about making flying an adventure that anyone can enjoy. For around $250 per session, Lyft offers flight experiences where you can take off, hover, and land with the Hexa, feeling like a real pilot. The controls are intuitive, and the aircraft has smart safety features that keep flights smooth and secure, even for complete beginners. For the most passionate fans, Lyft also makes a limited number of Hexa units available for purchase at about $495,000 with a unique buyback option after 5 years. The Lilium Jet is an exciting German prototype that shows what the future of urban air travel could look like. Developed by Lilium GmbH, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft uses 36 electric motors, 6 on each front canard and 12 on each rear wing, to provide smooth and efficient flight. Its rear flaps tilt downward for vertical takeoff, allowing it to rise straight into the sky without needing a runway. The jet can carry 1 pilot and 6 passengers, making it perfect for small groups or air taxi services. It can reach a top speed of 175 miles per hour and fly up to 155 miles on a single charge. This combination of speed and range means traveling between cities becomes fast, convenient, and far less stressful than driving or using traditional airports. Its electric propulsion also makes it quieter and cleaner than conventional aircraft, helping reduce urban noise and emissions. Once fully developed, the Lilium Jet could transform city-to-city travel, offering a futuristic, eco-friendly alternative for daily commuters or short regional trips. With an expected price between $7 million and $10 million, it's a premium vehicle that combines innovation, practicality, and style. The Lilium Jet represents the next generation of personal and urban aviation, bringing the dream of flying taxis closer to reality. Opener Black Fly. The opener Blackfly is a groundbreaking personal flying vehicle that feels like it's straight out of the future. This all-electric VTOL aircraft is designed to give people the thrill of flying without the need for runways or traditional pilot skills. Its sleek design looks like a mix between a drone and a small plane, with multiple propellers that allow it to take off and land vertically almost anywhere. Built for everyday use, the Blackfly can fly at speeds of up to 62 miles per hour and cover a distance of around 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes or just enjoying the skies for fun. What makes the Blackfly even more exciting is its simplicity. It's easy to operate with intuitive controls, meaning even those who have never flown before can learn quickly. Safety is a top priority too, with automatic stabilization, built-in geofencing, and redundant systems that keep flights smooth and secure. And since it's fully electric, it's eco-friendly and quiet compared to traditional aircraft. The opener Blackfly isn't just a new way to travel, it's a glimpse of how personal flying machines could become part of our everyday lives. The Sky Surfer aircraft is an exciting new personal flying vehicle that makes the idea of everyday air travel feel closer than ever. This electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft is designed with both portability and performance in mind. One of its most impressive features is that it folds down so compactly you could actually carry it onto a passenger plane, something that truly sets it apart from traditional flying machines. Equipped with advanced control systems, the Sky Surfer offers a direct connectivity range of more than 27 miles. And with GPS satellites and cellular networks, it has the potential for unlimited control. This makes flying not only easier, but also much safer. Its frame is built using special proprietary materials with a nano-coating finish, giving it a lightweight yet incredibly strong structure that's been tested to handle up to 750 pounds. The Sky Surfer isn't just portable, it's tough. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions while still offering smooth and efficient operation, which helps extend flight time and performance. By blending strength, smart technology, and convenience, the Sky Surfer shows us a glimpse of the future where personal flight could be as common as driving a car. The Archer Midnight eVTOL is an exciting new flying vehicle built to make city travel faster, safer, and more efficient. Unlike helicopters or planes, it doesn't need a runway because it can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for busy urban areas. Designed to carry 4 passengers and a pilot, this all-electric aircraft is quiet, sleek, and eco-friendly, making it a smarter choice for the future of transportation. What makes Midnight so impressive is its ability to recharge quickly and complete multiple short flights in just 1 hour. This means it can handle the high demand of city travel while cutting down commute times drastically. A trip that normally takes an hour in heavy traffic could take just 10 to 15 minutes in the air. Its advanced design also focuses on safety and passenger comfort, so travelers can enjoy smooth and stress-free flights. The Archer Midnight is more than just a futuristic idea. It's a real innovation moving us closer to the dream of air taxis. By combining sustainability with convenience, this eVTOL could change the way people move around cities, making everyday air travel possible for everyone. The TX-0001 is an exciting new electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT. Designed as a futuristic air taxi, it aims to make short urban trips faster, easier, and more enjoyable. The aircraft has a sleek, modern look and is built from lightweight composite materials, making it strong, efficient, and ready for smooth flight. Its cabin is spacious enough for 2 passengers and their luggage, offering comfort along with style. The TX-0001 is powered by 8 electric motors that drive 8 propellers, giving it stable and responsive flight. It can reach impressive speeds of up to 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour, and fly distances of around 130 kilometers, 81 miles on a single charge. Being fully electric, it's quieter and cleaner than traditional vehicles, helping to reduce urban noise and pollution while making city travel more sustainable. Still in development, the TX0001 is part of XPeng Aero HT's vision for the future of urban mobility. The Volocopter Velocity is a futuristic flying taxi designed to change the way people move around busy cities. Built in Germany, this all-electric aircraft is compact, quiet, and completely eco-friendly, making it perfect for short urban trips. With 18 powerful rotors, it can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need a runway. This makes it ideal for crowded city centers where space is limited. Instead of being stuck in long traffic jams, passengers can travel across the city in just minutes. What makes the Velocity stand out is its green technology. Since it runs only on electricity, it produces no emissions, helping keep the air clean while also reducing noise compared to helicopters. Safety has been carefully built into its design, with backup systems to ensure stable and reliable flights every time. The Volonaut Airbike is a groundbreaking personal flying machine created by Polish inventor Tomasz Patan, the same genius who developed the Jetson 1. Unlike traditional aircraft, this single-seat flying bike has a minimalist design and is built using lightweight carbon fiber and 3D printed parts, making it an engineering marvel. It weighs only 300 to 500 pounds, about 7 times lighter than a normal superbike, yet delivers the thrill of speed and freedom in the skies. What makes the Airbike even more exciting is its ability to reach speeds of up to 124 miles per hour, giving riders a fast and exhilarating flying experience. Unlike helicopters or drones with large rotors, this futuristic airbike has an open design that provides a full 360-degree view. This means you can enjoy a clear, breathtaking perspective of your surroundings while easily maneuvering around trees, water, or narrow spaces where other flying vehicles might struggle. The Volonaut Airbike feels less like piloting a machine and more like riding a superbike in the air. It combines speed, agility, and innovation to create a whole new way of travel. Wingsuit flight is one of the most thrilling extreme sports in the world, giving people the chance to experience what it feels like to fly like a bird. Instead of just free falling in the sky like regular skydiving, a wingsuit adds panels of fabric between the arms and legs, turning the human body into a kind of glider. With this suit, pilots can control their direction, speed, and descent simply by shifting their body position. Skilled wingsuit flyers are able to reach incredible speeds of over 100 miles per hour, while still feeling smooth and controlled as they cover long distances in the air. Many combine it with skydiving or base jumping, jumping from planes or cliffs before spreading their wings to glide through breathtaking landscapes. Flying close to cliffs or soaring over mountain peaks gives a sense of adventure and freedom that's hard to match. But wingsuit flying isn't just about fun. It requires serious training, precision, and focus. Pilots need to understand aerodynamics, keep track of their altitude, and handle safety equipment with care. For those who master it, wingsuit flight delivers a once-in-a-lifetime rush and the closest feeling humans can get to true flight. The X-Turismo is an exciting hoverbike that feels like it has come straight out of a sci-fi movie. Built in Japan, this futuristic machine takes the idea of a motorcycle and transforms it into something extraordinary: the ability to fly. Instead of rolling on wheels, the X-Turismo uses powerful propellers to lift riders off the ground, allowing them to hover and glide smoothly through the air. It brings a new level of adventure and freedom that regular bikes can never match. What makes this hoverbike special is its advanced hybrid system. It combines a traditional engine with electric motors to deliver both power and stability, making it safe and efficient to control. Riders can take off vertically, hover at different heights, and move in multiple directions, opening up exciting possibilities for travel. The sleek and futuristic design makes it not just a vehicle, but also a statement of innovation and imagination. The X-Turismo isn't just about fun. It also shows us what the future of transportation could look like. where vehicles are not tied to roads but can move freely in the air. Whether for thrill rides, adventure, or exploring places regular vehicles can't reach, this hoverbike is a bold step into tomorrow.